Hi there, hope you're doing well. The work is complete and this is the file that I'm going to give you. Currently I'm on a 14-inch monitor, so you may find some of these numbers a bit small, but you may see this in a bigger monitor like 27-inch or or desktop monitor. You'll be able to view it better. So that's pretty much what we are. And so coming to the data source itself, so basically this is what you had. So when you have new data, make sure you go to the last row and then just copy paste values. Like for example, let's say you have copied somewhere and you paste values instead of typing everything, and make sure this particular thing is dragged down. So when you paste, it might look like this. So just drag it down and then come to the dashboard. That's like here, and click on refresh. All the charts, every single chart and numbers will automatically get refreshed based on the new data. So as I mentioned, this is kind of a dynamic dashboard. So let me first explain the dashboard itself. So this one shows the global sales per this one the journal. So that's that, and then the other sales with respect to the journal is right here, and this one other, I mean all the sales with respect to the journal. So those are there, and then global sales by year, and top 20 sales by the name of the game, because we have a lot of them. So this one is coming from this, the global sales. This one is the total global sales globally, and top 20 that gets updated here. So that's the information that we have. So let's say you want to go ahead and see a specific publisher. Let's say you may not have, like, a lot of them, because but when you have data, so you can come back and see how the charts get updated. So that's how it works. And same here, like after selecting this particular information, you can go ahead and see more granular level, like for example what year this particular person things have zoomed, and how much each are there, or select multiple information to view. So it's purely your choice, basically how it works. But if you remove the filters on top, that's like here, they will be automatically gone and shown. Please check and let me know if there are any other addition that I need to do. I just can't afford cancellation. If you think that this is not up to your liking, I understand that. Please don't order. That's fine. But if you are ordering, kindly don't cancel it, because it's a big impact for all the sellers in Fiverr, especially me, because I have a huge dependency in here. So that's one request. Anyway, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.